What's up? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got an awesome watch face for you all to check out that's free for the taking, yes, in the Gear Manager store. We're just simply trying to help you get through the Monday grind and give you an opportunity to flex through watch faces throughout the week. All right, with that being said, let's check out this awesome watch face. Now, the name of it is called Big Status SMB. In the AOD mode, you are going to get a nice digital time that is going to be in a black and white theme. Not a bad look at all, but once the watch face is on, I like the stylish look of the font of this digital time. Looks very nice, and you're going to get the day of the week and your date up at the top. You're going to get your step status info down at the bottom, because many of you all still like to keep up with your step status. So you're going to get your steps, calories burned, your heart rate information. You're also going to get a nice battery icon to the left. To the right, you will be able to get your music. So if you're on a run, you can get your music, and it isn't active. So if I tap here, I will be able to go off into my settings, and also I could get my music. So if I'm on my run, I can go into that, and I can go into my step status info, calories burned, my steps, floors climbed, also your heart rate, stress, everything you need for your step status info is right there for the taking. And yes, people, again, it is free. So make sure you go get your download on. I got 3 watch faces for you all to check out, and they're all going to be free. So let's check out watch face number 2. Now, number 2 is nice, simple, but nice. Now, the name of it is called Day Fit Series 3. I like the simplicity of this watch face. Now, this one here can probably be your after work watch face or a weekend watch face, but it's nice. And remember, this one here too is free for the taking. In the AOD mode, you are going to get a simple digital time. It's going to be dimmed down quite a bit, but you'll still be able to see your time at a glance with no problem. But when the watch face is on, digital time dead center, you got the day of the week and your date surrounded by shortcuts. Now, the shortcuts are nice. You'll be able to go into your messages, make a phone call. If you need to go into your music, you're on the run, you can do that. You can also see your recents as well. Not bad at all for a free watch face. You get your weather. You can also go into your text messages, and of course, you got photos. So if you got photos on your watch, you'll be able to access those right at your fingertips. Now, this isn't a bad look for a free watch face, and it's going to be energy saving for the most part. Again, what do you think? All right, let's check out watch face number 3. It's called Simple Yet Useful. Now, number 3 is nice. I like the look. I like the simplicity of this watch face. In the AOD mode, you're going to get a nice digital time. And when the watch face is on, you're going to get your battery info at the top. You're going to come down. You're going to get the day of the week, your date, and also the month. You're going to get a nice, big, bold digital time, again, in 24 hours. And of course, right up under, you get your shortcuts for heart rate. You can go into your settings, your music for when you're on your run. And for those of you all who want to keep up with your step status, they got you covered there. But if you need to go deep off into it, you can still do that as well. So for a free watch face, this again could be a weekend watch face, could be a work week watch face, considering that it has your step info on there. But all in all, free is always good. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And again, I will see you all at the next one. Take care.